Members of the Joint Action Committee on Border of Meghalaya and traditional heads of provinces and villages in Meghalaya under the banner of the Federation of Khasi States held a consultative meeting on the 12th of May 2022 on the recent MOU signed between the states of Meghalaya and Assam on the first phase of border dispute settlement. Addressing newspersons after the meeting, the chairman of the JAC, Erwin K. Sutnga, said that a collective decision of the members of the committee on the demand for resignation of Chief Minister Conrad Sangma from his position had taken place during the meeting of members of the JAC on border of Meghalaya. At the same time, the chairman of the committee informed that the decision was taken to enable another person with caliber and capability to take the current chief minister's place and reverse the mistakes made by him. Meanwhile, the Joint Action Committee on Border of Meghalaya will appoint experts from the Northeastern Hill University to study the boundary dispute between Meghalaya and Assam from the historical and legal aspects.
Hakaba ngin yakren bat ngin yasim karai kaba scam halor ka jinglet syakasari bar ka joko poru na kalian ka jongkiru kin chime karai ban karsan ya kan ki ki ba bat nado nang te kila ong mene hi ba ngilong ki bakloi ban wan Shillong ngin pelut ka por ngin ya don lang ban karsan ka Jacbom hakani ka jingaki ka badon kam palat ka joko poru ni la rai ba nakalian ka Federation of Khasi States kidon pun kini ki petition hapo ka National Commission of Scheduled Tribe hapo parliament hakalen sodong ki basakot naruka pol machwa yakini la rai ban bodeng ngilaya rai ru ba ngidon kam bandawa menta ka sor ka bajamba Conrad Sangma ku chief minister ubala le ikini kam ki bakla pala ubala pen iba ula ja lenti kampam menyelam ka ni state ina dawa menta ka singi mi ya ka pen mi ya ka ching dawa bu udai ban resign no kum chief minister jongka Meghalaya klam bakan play ka lenti ban wando way ubala ban pen bai ka ni ka kam namar ba ya ka MOU ka ni ka bakla sign bakla ong ba ngin pentrai kambai ngingin num pediang ni ka ni ba ngim pediang su yo Conrad sama bo unlong chief minister jongka ni state kaba boros kata kini ki alais ngi ngilaya inang ya trikam kampaman pendep ki bobon ki kam ki badan kam setelah bantip ipi bah ka kendai terik ngilada ya kendu iki profesor na nehu naga political science department naga history naga philosophy terter but kila manjur ban form ya ka expert consultative committee halor kini kam border bal halor ka kam kandau siap ro ngila penbiang gi kot isla ban ai saki bakin ai ka report ngila ong ba kidat don kam ban ai ka report wa kloi ba nomor ba sise magila ya let cepo ka kasari da ka dai ka high court na supreme court ne ka no kasari ro ka ngila ban le ngidon kam ya ka expert opinion bat kila long ki ba kloi ban le kani.
On the issue of backing away of 11 NPP MDCs of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council from a resolution to go to the court over the recently signed MOU with Assam, Erwin Sutnga said that the NPP is more focused on self-interest rather than on the welfare of the people of Meghalaya.
Numarki MDCs are expected to protect our rights. They are not expected to represent any party interests. Hangne PE pausai kadarba, the party interest becomes more important than the interest of the people. Very simple. Karwa ingot, dan hang tu kibalam su join nak kongres dan su kenti bawa nang no imat kimpat suatu bahiro nomor balai ka ideologi ro kamsai. Su simbe karai nomor balai la ong si minister. Pidai ben la kum tu, la su direct ki kum ke department. Shillong bai tangkum ki nong trek kam sarkar klem exercise ka main klem pa ya sexual klem pa ya id rules klem so thu ikabor ka ki kam MDC she assign by resolution am ngim trele chukut hey nomor ble ultimately let chukut come out against the government of Meghalaya let chukut mut the government of India and the state government, they have to decide. They have to decide. Marki de maki ki authority to decide the boundaries. To decide the boundaries. Okay. And the point also arises that kita ki MDC, kita ban so tu ba maki ba de kita ki custodian of the land, the custodian of the rights of the people. Hang ni kadang conflict. Once you say I'm not ready to go to court because namar beli ka KHDC pikana kamra masno ngilai court. Ki kam ki babon ki ba ngilai court. Ni yo iki orders ki balong favorable ka KHDC. It doesn't mean that we are against the government. It means that we are just enforcing what the Constitution has given us. The rights and the provisions of the Constitution, which are very clear, have to be enforced. So, hamne kajing kalongba under Article 131, the primary jurisdiction lies with the Supreme Court. The parties who should go is the state. Under Article 12, the definition of state also includes this council. They now da kabakile kum tu kamut kini ki perlok kim da song thu bai ka jinglong MDC ki jaki kim song thu ro ya ka section kim song thu ki edi rules kim song thu ro ya ka jing corridor jong ki reti ki dustur ki jongi ka sanchar trairi ki jongi kim song thu ya ka hok ka jongi helor ka khanda ko siap bat ka syukut tang tai ba syele election ban up ban yo job MLA bian nantak sa po ya state ke sa nang kulmar su ko pertengi